Believe it or not, one of our customers at copyandwin.com, who's also in our Discord, asked me if I'd make this video because he has made this mistake several times. So let's make sure, as a reminder, that you don't make the same mistake. We've talked in a previous episode about the differences between day orders, extended hours orders, and good till cancel orders. And we've talked in a separate episode as well about trailing stops, stop losses, and profit targets. So the mistake this particular member has made, and I've done it too, is you think you've put in your trailing stop, and you have, so you're all set. Your profitable trade, as it keeps going up, will keep making money, and if it happens to come back down, well, your stop loss will take profits, right? Because it's a trailing stop that guarantees a win for you. And that's all true unless you make this very simple mistake. So when you set your trailing stops, your stop losses, and even your profit targets, make sure you never set them as day orders. Please make sure you make them good till canceled, GTC. Because if you don't make sure they're a good to canceled order, then when today's done, so are those orders. And if you thought you had a trailing stop loss that would take profits for you eventually, and your stock keeps going up for several days, you think you're dialed in, you're set, right? You can walk away and make money. But if your trailing stop expired the day you entered it by mistake, you're putting it all at risk. Everything at risk. So the practice is, at the end of the day, make sure all of your trailing stops are good till canceled. And at the beginning of every morning, double check for safety. Just a tip that's going to keep you winning for the rest of your life. If you haven't done it yet, join our Discord and check out copyandwin.com.